Are you looking to start your cartridge production, but the variety of hardware seems endless? Much like cannabis products, hardware is all made different. The two most common cartridge types are press-down caps and twist-down closures. In this article, we break down the differences between press-stop cartridges and twist-down, how they work, the benefits of each, and the best equipment to enhance your production. While it's important to understand both capping applications, the type of hardware has little to no effect on consumer experience, but it does play a vital role in ease of production. That's why we're excited to announce our newest innovation, the RoboTorq. Simply swap out the filling nozzle on your new or current RoboCap for our torquing arm and start your capping process. And for those still searching for high-quality hardware to start your production, we list a few of our trusted cartridge manufacturing partners. You can read the full article and register for our RoboTorq online.